Yo, Adam back here, man. Yo, sorry that I haven't put out a video in a while, but I've been really busy and um, things have been just too nuts recently. And now we've got the biggest snowstorm. But I said to myself, fuck it, I'm gonna put out some kind of video, And yeah, I shot some video earlier, and it's just, I mean, like 2 hours ago, okay, 3 hours ago maybe, when there was light outside, and oh man, you could tell this is gonna be really bad. We're gonna get about 3 feet of snow, and if you're depending on going to work by like walking, forget it. You can't walk in that shit. It's impossible. So, if you got galoshes on or something, that doesn't matter. You slip and fall and break your neck. Uh, or somebody will fucking run you over. The people here can't drive worth a shit. And that's the truth. I've lived all over the fucking place, and these are the worst fucking drivers in America. And I thought the people in Florida were bad. No way, man. These people are like, every single one of them thinks that they're Evil Knievel or some shit. Anyway, I'm on a rant. Check out this video I shot earlier, and I'm baked. Check it out. This is cool. Before the big blizzard, all we have is some light little snow. This is light snow. Just take a round, because I'm going to show you about 24 hours from now what it still looks like, with the cars buried in 30 inches of snow, making the largest snowstorm, blizzard in New York history. I'm standing out here in shorts. That's right. I'm from California and stupid. Yeah, so that's the little video I made. Anyway, I was just gonna show you like the beginnings of what it starts out like, and then it turns into absolute hell later, man. And here we are the next day. It's cold as shit out here. Look at how much goddamn snow there is. That's pretty crazy, huh? It is so hard. That's the stairs, believe it or not. Look at this. Oh my god. Look at that shit. That's how far my foot just went in. That is crazy. Check this shit out. So, anyway, I will put out some videos that I think everyone's gonna like, but I'm reshooting them because I got brand new lighting. Thus, if I show you the lighting, it's just one gigantic softbox, but it allows me to color correct and make the videos look more broadcast quality. So please subscribe. I'll put a link up there, yeah, right there. And click it, please. And I'll see you guys hopefully next week with a new video that's really cool and I think you'll enjoy. Alright, goodbye. Subscribe.